Driving innovations, stitch by stitch. We make our products more user-friendly and precise to explore new possibilities in manufacturing. We listen to our customers' needs to deliver digital technology developed throughout our history. Brother is always at your side from that one stitch. Knowledge cultivated over a century. Founded in 1908 as a sewing machine repair company, the Brother Group boasts over 110 years of history in the sewing industry. Guided by the craftsmanship DNA of our founders, the Yasui brothers, we have evolved over the past century to meet customer needs and adapt to changes of times. Throughout this journey, we have maintained our position as a leading company in the sewing industry, while also growing into a diversified enterprise offering a wide range of products. Brother has continuously set new standards in the sewing industry and provided new value. For instance, in response to requests to reduce the workload of operators who use sewing machines for long hours, we have implemented direct drive motors to reduce noise and vibration. For lock-stitch sewing, we have incorporated electronic feed mechanisms to enhance sewing quality and operability. Additionally, to response to mechanics concerns such as adjustments are taking too much time and adjustment methods are difficult to teach, we have employed sensor technology to quantify adjustments. This reduces variability of adjustments made by each individual and standardizes the adjustment process. To meet management-level requests like reducing the cost increase caused by small lot production of various products, we have utilized Brother's IoT production management system. This system, which can start with just one machine, allows for real-time issue identification and contributes to the visualization of the sewing line. Experts in craftsmanship realizing cutting-edge technology. Our technology and products developed through expertise and craftsmanship while leveraging our global sales network to quickly respond to changes in the industry. By identifying customer needs and combining motor and digital technologies refined as a diversified enterprise, we develop and create our own core technologies and products. We manufacture high-quality, precise industrial sewing machines by utilizing our long-accumulated manufacturing know-how. From product planning and development to production, we seamlessly deliver products, services, and solutions to our customers. Brother at your side. For over 110 years, Brother has deepened its knowledge in sewing, striving to bring innovation to the sewing industry with digital technology. We support challenges of everyone involved in sewing by facing you sincerely. Driving innovations, stitch by stitch.